Hi everyone, I'm Hannah and this is Customized Close-Up. Today we are going to go through some of the awesome products that new members can find in their upcoming Editor's Box. So in case you don't know, our Editor's Box is the perfect introduction to becoming a FabFitFun member because it features some of our editors and members' favorite products of all time. There's so much. If you haven't signed up yet, you should just do it now. Like, what are you waiting for? I mean, I know you want me to go through all this stuff, but you know, you can hit pause, sign up right here, and then come back and I'll show you all the cool stuff you're gonna get. So this Editor's Box is pretty special because it offers the most choices that we have ever offered in a box ever at FabFitFun. So you guys are gonna get to customize like crazy. It's a no-brainer. Okay, so before we get into these products, make sure that you like, comment, subscribe to FabFitFun's YouTube channel. I don't want you to miss anything. We've got new spoilers coming out all the time. We've got fun content. You gotta get the notifications, you know? All right, let's get into it. Okay, so this category is one that is only customizable for our select members. That means you pay once and you're covered for the whole year. If you haven't upgraded yet, go ahead, upgrade to select because you're gonna wanna have a choice between all these. So here we go. Our first product is this amazing 11 by Venus Williams gym bag. Venus Williams, you know, star tennis player. I think you've heard of her. She was also a FabFitFun cover girl. This is 100% nylon, which is what you want in a gym bag because your clothes are gonna be sweaty and stinky and this won't take on that stinky mess. All right, let's open it up. It's foldable, which is so cool, so you can carry it to work. Very, very cute. Plenty of room to fit in your yoga pants, your cute tops, maybe some boxing gloves, whatever you wanna do. Carry it on. It's by Venus Williams. Maybe I'll play tennis better if I take this. I don't know, that's not a guarantee. Don't quote me on that one. And when you're done using it, it's easy to fold, just like this. All right, so when you guys cut on this, it's just like, it's that YouTube cut, because obviously there's no B-roll. Yeah. Oh, it's closed. I mean, how easy was that? It really is easy, guys. We're just having fun. Not really organized about it. You just kind of scrunch it in and then zip this puppy up. I like things to be simple, and this is very, very simple. 11 by Venus gym bag. That's your first choice. Our next product is the Stone Cold Fox hardback notebook. It has this really beautiful floral print. I love the black with the pink and that beautiful lettering, Stone Cold Fox. I love a nice logo, personally. It's just lined paper, so you can do whatever you want with it. You can turn it into your planner for the year. You can write inspirational quotes. You can write down what you eat every day, list of favorite movies, list of people who've wronged you and your revenge list. I mean, it's a beautiful, beautiful packaging for that. You know, I need to get revenge on them. It's always gonna be close to you. Really durable, it's practical, you can fit it in any bag. And this thing is 150 pages. So, you know, plenty of room, double-sided. You're not gonna run out of space. It's a lot of room to write down all the people you want to take revenge on. I really am running with this joke. Okay, so our next product is the Dr. Rogers Restore Healing Balm. So this is all natural. You can put it on anything at all. For me, in the winter, I'm gonna use this on like dry cuticles. You can also use it, like my skin gets really terribly dry in the winter, and you can see it's just like that really nice, really easy, it just rubs right in. So if you have any like cracks on your skin, it also works for healing. You can also use it if you got a tattoo. Look, I can't help you if you like wanna hide that tattoo from your mom, but if you want it to heal quicker, use the balm. It feels so good because it has been so dry in LA. Now my hands feel all nice and soft. You can use it for a little style too if you want to add a little shine to the lips. Maybe use it to get your eyebrows in check with a little spoolie. It works for anything. This is just like a little miracle tube of whatever you want it to be. It's also vegan, gluten-free, and hypoallergenic. You shouldn't eat it. Don't eat it. Don't eat it. Just put it on your skin, but like you should also know that it is vegan and gluten-free and hypoallergenic. Again, miracle tube. So our next product is the Intelligent Nutrients Refining Micro Polish. So this is an exfoliator. Preps your skin for the whole rest of your routine. I love using an exfoliator. It just always makes your skin feel so smooth. So you know there's like the microbeads that are come in soap and they're like really terrible for the environment. Not in here. These are natural. They use jojoba beads, I believe. I make that up, maybe. All natural jojoba beads. And those are plant derived. And so they will not hurt the environment. They will only make your face look gorgeous. Just like nice and smooth. It's just like tiny little beads, so it won't be too rough. It'll just be like a really nice, smooth exfoliator for you. So it's gonna work on whatever kind of skin you have, and I know I have more to say. It also uses essential oils to remove the surface skin to reveal the beautiful fresh skin beneath. So, love this stuff. But like, I don't have anything to wash it off with, so I'm gonna wipe it right now. Our final product in this category is this set of these Architec wooden, they all spoons? These don't look like 5 spoons. I'm a cook, so like I know what's up. So our final product is this set of these Architec wooden cook's tools. Really cute colors that are all painted on. It's a beautiful little rainbow for your kitchen. You will get these and you will untie them. Don't try to cook connected. It's gonna be a mess. Basically got everything you need. You've got like a slotted spoon, a slotted spatula, a curved spatula, another wooden spoon. I cook a lot at home. I married a chef, not to brag. These get the job done. And they look really cute too. And like, look, if you don't cook and you just wanna make your kitchen look cute, I'm not gonna judge. This is adorable. Oops. All right, that does it for this episode of Customized Close-Up and this category of the Winter Editor's Box. Please comment below and let me know which of these amazing items you decided to take. Not take. If you haven't signed up yet, come on. It's right there. The video's basically over. I'm done. Like, just stop watching. Pause, go. You don't even have to pause, open up the other window. Just click right there. I will see you guys next season. Have a happy new year.